Fake it till you make it. I'm sure you have heard that term before, haven't you? The challenge I have with it is the word fake because it implies something unreal or intangible or even disingenuous about what you're doing. But here's the thing. There's plenty of scientific proof to show that you can totally fool yourself and others in becoming more successful. Hi guys, I am Devon Harris. You're watching Keep On Pushing TV. Welcome to 3 keys in 3 minutes. And in this episode, I'm going to share with you 3 keys on how to fake it till you make it. Look, if we wanted to, you and I, we could totally make ourselves over, couldn't we? And no, I'm not talking about one of those makeovers where you get a hairdo or a new suit and you look brand new. This makeover begins in your mind. It is a proven fact that the more you think about things other than the ones you've been conditioned to think about, the greater the impact these new thoughts are going to have on the decisions you make. And so in time, through persistence, you're going to experience a change in your habits, in your behaviors. And ultimately, you would have created the new you. So here are my 3 keys on how to fake it till you make it. 1, know what you want. I mean, that makes sense, doesn't it? If you're going to fake it, you should at least first understand the outcomes you want to realize. I mean, you have to be clear about the person you must become in order to achieve the things you want to achieve. So here are 4 questions you ought to be asking yourselves. 1, what specific qualities do I need to be cultivating in myself? 2, how should I act and think and talk to myself specifically? Number 3, what impression do I want to make on others? And 4, how do I want to interact with them? Number 2, act as if. I mean, wouldn't you agree that the best suited, most qualified person doesn't always get the job? I mean, all you have to do is look around your world to see how true that is. Oftentimes, it's a person who comes across as most confident. It's whether or not that is true, the person who appears to be most able that is often held in higher regard. So to fake it means to act as if. Act as if you're confident, even though deep inside you might be as nervous as hell, you're filled with trepidation and reservations. Just act as if, man. Act as if, because what you're doing is acting out in advance the changes you want to make in yourself. Number 3, adjust your physiology. There's a direct connection between your body and your mind. In other words, your physiology, the way you carry or you hold your body, connects directly to your psyche. And not only does it affect how you feel, it also impacts how other people see you. So for example, if you were to adopt a power stance, your hands on your hips, shoulders back, chest out, chin up, you're going to feel completely differently. And people are going to perceive you in a completely different light than if you were to adopt a more meeker stance. Your hands drooping, shoulders slouching forward, chin down. You feel completely differently. Fake it till you make it is not something disingenuous. It's actually a self-fulfilling prophecy. Again, I'm Devon Harris, and if you like this video, don't keep it, share it. Share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, visit my website, www.devonharris.com, and as always, keep on pushing.